Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your Binance wallet. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you do, you can go ahead and click on the link below, maybe under here in the description or in the comments, okay? Just click on it and you will earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. And also, it will help support the channel. Now, basically, creating a wallet, this is for new users, okay? Now, just go ahead over to your Binance app and go to the top left, tap on this Binance icon, all right? And in here, you can tap on Binance Wallet. And by the way, you can always change from Binance Pro to Binance Lite by just tapping on this button, okay? So basically, tap on Binance Wallet, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, of course, it will ask you to verify your account, okay? So basically, just follow the verification process right here. Just tap on verify. And of course, it will need your ID and face scan. Just follow the simple prompts. And once that's done, in no time, you should be able to access your wallet. Okay. So just tap on verify. In here, follow simple prompts. Add in your residence, document, your document type. It could be an ID card, driver's license, passport, residence permit. Depending on your region, the options right here might be different. Okay, just follow the simple prompts. And once done, you can just easily go to the top left right here. And when you go head over to Binance Wallet, your wallet should be ready. Okay, as you can see here at the top or at the top right, there you go. Here's my wallet. Okay, and when you go head over to exchange, right here, change it to Binance Pro. Right here at the top right in Binance Pro, you have your wallet. And when you go head over to assets right here, here you have your assets, okay? That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.